If a equal cos theta plus I sin theta, find the value of 1 plus a by 1 minus a. See the solution. 1 plus a by 1 minus a equal 1 plus, what is a? Cos theta plus I sin theta. 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta by 1 minus cos theta plus I sin theta becomes cos theta minus I sin theta. Why? I remove the bracket directly. If bracket is there, then cos theta plus sin theta. If remove the bracket, then this plus becomes minus. Okay. Now to remove the I, we multiply denominator and numerator by conjugate of this. How? See properly. 1 minus cos theta minus I sin theta. Okay. Then curly bracket, third bracket, any bracket you can give, no matter. 1 minus cos theta minus I sin theta. Here we have to write plus I sin theta. This 1 minus cos theta plus I sin theta. By this we have to multiply numerator also. First I write this 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta. Then what we have to write? This, see, 1 minus cos theta plus I sin theta. Be very careful. Okay. Now see, this is a minus b, a plus b. That is a square minus b square formula. What is a? 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta whole square, a square, minus what is b? I sin theta. I square sin square theta. Now see here, 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta, 1 minus cos theta plus I sin theta. Now see, 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta is what? 1 square minus cos square theta. Directly I write here. Be very careful. 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. A plus b into a minus b. Therefore a square minus b square. Then 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta. Means 1 plus 1 into I sin theta means I sin theta plus I sin theta into 1 I sin theta plus I sin theta cos theta. I sin theta cos theta. Then see, I sin theta into 1 plus I sin theta. I sin theta into 1 I sin theta plus minus I sin theta cos theta. I sin theta cos theta. Then see, plus I sin theta plus I sin theta. I square plus I square means minus 1. Plus means a minus. Sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta. Very careful, very careful. This is 1 square is 1. See, 1 square is 1. Minus cos square theta minus sin square theta. Minus cos square theta minus sin square theta. Minus. Within bracket we can write cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Okay. Plus I sin theta plus I sin theta plus I sin theta plus I sin theta plus twice I sin theta. Okay. Plus I sin theta cos theta minus I sin theta cos theta cancel. What remain? Plus I sin theta twice I sin theta. Then this plus 1 minus 1 also we can cancel here. Now see, 1 minus cos theta whole square, a minus b whole square, a square minus twice ab, 2 cos theta plus b square means cos square theta minus I square means minus 1, minus a means a plus sin square theta. Very careful. Now see, 2I sin theta, 2I sin theta remains same. This 1 minus 2 cos theta, 1 minus 2 cos theta plus cos square theta plus sin square theta is what? 1. Then this one cancel. Then what we have to write here? Then this 2 also cancel. This 2 and 2 cancel. See very carefully. See very carefully. Otherwise it will be wrong. Okay. This is plus 1. This is plus 1. We cannot cancel. Now see, 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1, 2 minus Okay, cannot cancel. 2 minus 2 cos theta. 2 minus 2 cos theta. This twice I sin theta remains same. Okay, now see, twice I sin theta, 2 you can take common, 1 minus cos theta. These 2 and 2 we can cancel. These 2 and 2 we can cancel. Now see what we have to write. Equal, see, I, very careful, I, 2 to cancel, I, sin theta we can write as sin twice theta by 2. Sin theta we can write like this, sin twice theta by 2. 1 minus cos twice theta by 2. Okay, I into sin twice theta by 2 means twice sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. 1 minus cos twice theta, 2 sin square theta. 2 sin square theta means theta by 2. This 2 cancel, sin theta by 2, 1 sin theta by 2 cancel. What remain? I cos theta by 2 by sin theta by 2 is what? Cot theta by 2. This is your answer.